Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can join the Canva affiliate program, so let's get right into it. Firstly, let me preface this video by saying that the affiliate program isn't active yet. The applications for this program will be active in fall of this year, so fall 2024. The applications will open, and then you'll be able to enter the program. Now, what the program is basically a program where you can be an ambassador for the brand of Canva, where people will make content on Canva and share that and pretty much gain traction and draw people towards Canva. And if you do this, you will of course most likely earn some rewards such as money or other sort of compensation, I guess you could call it. And they are searching for people who do have a relatively large following on these following social media. So the big social media that you can think of: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And then once you have a following here, you will be able to apply for the program, and then they will give you access to the program. You will get a special badge to commemorate your membership. You will get beta test opportunities for future releases and functionalities. You'll get educational workshops and webinars, opportunities to collaborate with the company themselves, highlights featuring recent releases and updates, and affiliate perks such as earning commissions on Canva Pro conversions, as you can see here. And there will be additional benefits added along the way, but that is pretty much it. So to actually join, you will need to wait until fall 2024, and then I'm pretty sure they will update this site, or you can just Google the Canva Ambassador program and you'll be able to join it and earn all these additional perks. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.